Look at yourself, not the version you show people, the real one. The one who sets the alarm with all the intentions in the world and then hits snooze on his own life. You know exactly what you should be doing right now. You've known for months, maybe years, and that knowledge, it's not empowering you, it's eating you alive. That distance between who you are and who you know you could be, that's not a motivation problem. That's a discipline problem. And discipline isn't something you feel, it's something you build. Here's what nobody in your life is going to tell you. Your brain isn't broken, it's just been trained by you to choose comfort over everything. Every time you reached for the phone instead of the work, you taught it something. Every time you said tomorrow, you signed a contract. And tomorrow always collects. But here's the truth, that contract can be rewritten, starting with 5 steps. Starting right now. Step 1. Anchor your morning before your brain wakes up. The first action you take sets the tone for every action that follows. So before the screen, before the noise, do one thing. Cold water, 10 push-ups. 1 page. Same thing, same time every single day. Your brain craves predictability. Give it a ritual worth repeating, because the man who controls his first 5 minutes controls his entire day. Step 2. Make the decision the night before. Willpower is a resource. Most men waste it before noon deciding what to do instead of doing it. Tonight, write down your top 3 tasks for tomorrow in order. When you wake up, the decision is already made. You don't think, you execute. Weak men deliberate, disciplined men move. Step 3. Make weakness harder to choose. Your vices aren't stronger than you, they're just closer. Delete the apps from your home screen. Put the phone across the room. Make the bad choice cost you 1 extra step. That's all it takes. Because discipline isn't about being strong, it's about being strategic. Step 4. Commit to just 2 minutes. You don't have a laziness problem. You have a starting problem. Tell yourself 2 minutes, that's all. Set the timer. Begin, just begin. Momentum is a law of physics. A body in motion stays in motion. The hardest part is never the work. It's the first second of doing it. Step 5. Audit yourself like you mean it. Every night, score your day 1 to 10. No excuses, no justifications, just truth. Find the one thing that broke your focus this week. Cut it. Growth doesn't come from working harder, it comes from seeing clearly. These aren't habits, this is architecture. Every rep, every logged day, every decision made the night before, that's a brick. And you're either building something, or you're watching other men build. Comment, I'm built different. If this hit, subscribe, because this is where the construction happens.